Credit Karma, friend or foe? Unveiling the not-so-shiny sides. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of credit scores, that three-digit number that can feel like a magic key to financial freedom or a prison sentence, depending on where it lands. Now, chances are you've heard of Credit Karma. It's practically become synonymous with credit monitoring. Free, easy, and seemingly a no-brainer, right? Well, hold on a second. While Credit Karma offers some handy features, there's more to the story than meets the eye. So, before you blindly rely on that cute little blue owl, let's crack open the vault and unveil the not-so-shiny sides of Credit Karma. Score surprise, not the gospel truth. First up, the big one, credit scores. Credit Karma displays your Vantage score, a credit scoring model that's perfectly fine. But here's the catch: lenders, the folks who actually decide whether you get that loan or credit card, primarily use FICO scores. Vantage score and FICO scores can differ, sometimes significantly. So, while Credit Karma might give you a feel-good number, it might not reflect the reality lenders see. Limited monitoring, a one-eyed watchman. Credit Karma touts credit monitoring, but it has limitations. While it can alert you to changes in your credit report, it doesn't offer the most comprehensive protection. Here's why. Credit Karma primarily monitors one credit bureau, Experian in most cases. However, there are three major credit bureaus: Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. If something fishy happens on one of the other bureaus, Credit Karma might miss it entirely. The upsell hustle, not free, just discounted. Let's talk about that free service. Credit Karma isn't shy about bombarding you with credit card and loan offers. While these might seem convenient, remember, Credit Karma gets paid when you click on those offers. There's a potential conflict of interest here. Are they showing you the best options, or just the ones that bring them the most revenue? Data dilemmas: who owns your information? Free services often come with a price: your data. Credit Karma collects a lot of information about you. While they claim to have robust security measures, data breaches are a reality. So, it's worth considering if you're comfortable with a company holding that much personal information. False sense of security: knowledge isn't power without action. Here's a crucial point: Credit Karma can be a great tool for monitoring your credit, but it's not a magic bullet. Simply seeing your score doesn't automatically improve it. You need to take action, like fixing errors on your reports or managing your credit utilization. So, should you ditch Credit Karma entirely? Not necessarily. It can still be a helpful starting point, especially if you're new to the credit game. But remember, it's just one piece of the puzzle. Here are some alternatives. AnnualCreditReport.com. This free government website provides access to your reports from all three bureaus once a year. Consider paid monitoring services. Some services offer more comprehensive monitoring across all three bureaus. The bottom line: Credit Karma, a tool, not a savior. Credit Karma can be a useful tool, but don't rely on it solely. Be aware of its limitations, explore other options, and most importantly, take an active role in managing your credit. Remember, a good credit score is a key that unlocks financial opportunities, and the key is in your hand. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.